I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's me Kim. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. And also, I will give shout outs to those people that will comment down below. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias. These are my Twitter and these are my Instagram. Just the same. So in this video, I will be showing you how to make your very easy and your very own lip and cheek stains using 2 products only, which is totally amazing. And every time I make DIYs, I'm also using that myself. So today I'm wearing it and it doesn't smudge up like wala talaga. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. So for the ingredients, you're gonna be needing an aloe vera gel and some sort of food coloring, but here I am using the gel type. So first, take out your aloe vera gel and scoop out ample amount into another container, and in my case, I'm scooping up 2 tablespoons. And then take out your food coloring and add it directly to the mixture. I'm using a light amount of color because I like it to be red and pigmented. Then just mixing that up all together until everything is combined. And it might look so intense in the video, but it's actually not in person. So for container, I'm just using an empty eye drops, and as you can see, it's already filled up because I'm already using it. And then just press it tightly to have a vacuum effect and just suck in the lip stain, which is oddly satisfying. And after that, we are all finished. So this is what it looks like, and here's a swatch on my hand, and as you can see, it's pretty much just like the drugstore ones, and once it dries off, it doesn't really wear off, which is better and actually pretty cool. And this is how pigmented this is, but you can adjust the measurements of everything according to what you like. And now this is the hand of someone who just murdered a cheek stain, literally a stain, because I really had a hard time taking this off my hands. I mean, just look at this.
I got a fire for a heart. I'm not scared of a dark. You never seen it look so easy.
So that is about it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up because thumbs are great. I always say that. Why do I always say that? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I have my links down below for my social media accounts. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Happy New Year, guys. Have a great 2018 ahead. Bye!